thought I was fast. I wasn't expecting him to be super fast. If Vitaly can get a good hit like that on him and then get him open, Vitaly may have the advantage of more stamina.
Vitaly Laletin and Levan Saginashvili are going to have their much awaited super match in February next year. Jerry recently arm wrestled both Vitaly and Levan, and he gave his conclusion on whether Vitaly can stop and take down the Georgian Hulk or not. I'll tell you what, he's definitely faster than Levan. I think Levan feels super strong. Now I'm super interested in this match because if Vitaly can get a good hit on him, open him up, put Levan on the defensive side, it's gonna come down to who can have more stamina. And Jerry believes that if it comes to stamina, Vitaly may have an advantage just because Levan weighs much more than Vitaly. About his own match against Vitaly, Jerry said that he lost because he tried to be an offensive arm wrestler. Instead of being offensive or try to be offensive, he should have been defensive. He should have gone backwards because Vitaly was really fast. I have a couple of thoughts about this. I have never really seen Jerry be a defensive arm wrestler. He always goes on the offensive. And also there was a start, a ready go, where Jerry was faster. He reacted before Vitaly and yet Vitaly beat him. So it was not just about speed, it was about strength as well. Jerry said that he needs to work on his speed, his ready goes, and after that he would like to go up against Hermes Gasparini one more time to settle the score. I personally don't feel like Jerry can tell the strength difference between Levan or Vitaly or even Hermes Gasparini. But from what he was saying about Vitaly, it feels like he has Vitaly somewhere between Levan and Hermes Gasparini. If you ask Jerry's opinion, to him Vitaly definitely felt better than Hermes. Maybe not as strong as Levan, but even that match can be a close one as per Jerry. So far we have two common opponents. Hermes faced both Vitaly and Levan, and he would tell you that Levan is on a completely different level. But Jerry won't tell you the same. If we had the Vitaly versus Devon match before the Vitaly versus Levan match, then maybe we could have drawn some conclusions based on these matches. But I guess that the organization knew that if Devon destroyed Vitaly, then the Levan-Vitaly match hype would die. But no matter what happens in the Levan-Vitaly match, the Devon-Vitaly match won't get affected. If Levan destroys Vitaly, Devon-Vitaly match still makes sense. If Vitaly stops Levan, Devon-Vitaly match still makes sense. Even if Vitaly somehow manages to defeat Levan, the Devon-Vitaly match would still make sense. So what are your thoughts about this? Do you agree with Jerry that Vitaly has a chance against Levan? Do you think he's even qualified to give his opinion on this match because he didn't get to apply his power at all against both of these? Thanks for watching. Please like the video. I'll see you again.